How to create a new photo album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down to the Albums section at the end and tap on it. You can view all your albums over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Create. Then, tap on New Album. Here, tap on Add Photos as shown. Select the photos you want to add to this album from here and then tap on Add at the top right corner. Enter a name for the album and tap on Create. Now, open the album you just created. As you can see, all your selected photos are added to this album. Following these steps, you can easily create a new photo album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.